Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Before we start, make sure you hit that subscribe button below. Thank you very much for doing that. Today, sorry about that, we're going to make a simple calculator. Not calculator, a calendar, sorry. Simple calendar. So first things first, we've got to import the calendar module. Calendar module. Then we're going to create a little function called calendar. Now we're going to create a variable this year is going to be equal to 2023. This month, I'm going to assign it to the 10th month, and we're going to get some user input. So the user is going to enter some input here. So this year it's going to be equal to int integer because we're dealing with numbers here. Import enter year. Okay, and this month is int integer. Import simply enter month. Okay. Right, now we're going to print it out. So print, we use calendar. Oh dear, that's better. Print calendar dot month. I'm going to use this year. And this month. Okay, I'm going to call it calendar 1 here, just to calendar 1. Okay, so this is calendar 1. Okay, now all we have to do is to save it. Let's run the program. Enter a year, so I'm going to enter 2023. Enter a month, 10th month, and let's have a look. There we go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. There's your calendar. So I hope you like that, and if you did, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I will catch you in another video. Bye-bye.